morning, New Carlisle Elementary.
This is Mackenzie,
Kaya,
Anna, and Kaylee.
Broadcasting live at New Carlisle Elementary.
Today is March 28th, 2012. Lunch today is hot dog and sweet potato fries. Breakfast tomorrow is breakfast pizza.
Happy birthday to Harley A. Mackenzie D.
Woo!
That's me. Remember to turn Mathathon pledges into Mrs. Matters ASAP.
Today's positive behavior winners are red, Destiny M, orange, Kaylee W, yellow, Jacob R, green, Nash V, blue, Emma M, purple, Child W, black, Kaylee S. Now over to Kaylee and Mr. Dixon. Now over to Mr. Dixon for a special announcement.
Students, I have a few announcements this morning. We're getting ready here in a few minutes, fifth graders, to travel over to the high school for practice for the musical performance tonight. Just want to remind everyone to be on your best behavior when you're traveling over there and when you're over there tonight. You're obviously a reflection of our building. You guys do great things. We want to make sure people know that and see that when we're over there. Fifth graders, while you're there at 9:50, we're going to have a tornado drill at the high school. You will be traveling to a designated location. Please make sure you do a good job with this, as the state fire marshal will be there to watch our progress. In the afternoon, all fourth and fifth graders, we will be having a state tornado drill at 2:05. Please, again, be on your best behavior. Do what you need to. This is practice, and we want to make sure that we practice for real things and we take things seriously. Students, have a great day. Back to Kaylee with Web.
The current temperature is 52 degrees. The high temperature today is 73 degrees rating. Thank you for joining us for another edition of the New Carlisle News. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance to the Nation. Come to the school.